All right, our top story at the moment, an emergency meeting called by Power Minister Piyush Goyal with the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Najib Jung, and Delhi government officials over the power crisis is currently on. The minister is discussing ways to tackle the power outages in the state of Delhi. Ashish Mehrishi is now joining us with more details. Ashish, what exactly is the problem? Why is Delhi seeing so many outages?
Officials from BSES and NDPL, the companies that is involved in the distribution business in Delhi, because we know that the power is actually privatized in Delhi, and everybody was expecting, because since the power has been privatized long back, that at least this kind of problems will not be faced. Now we spoke to some of these people and they very clearly say that the major problem lies at the transmission level. The company which is transmitting, that is Delhi Transco Limited, is actually not able to cope up with the kind of temperature that we are seeing. They say that the major problem actually happens when the temperatures are high, the plants get faulty at that point of time, and the boilers are not able to take the kind of heat that is actually outside. So when these things happen, then the temperature, when the temperature goes up, the plants automatically get tripped, and that there is the problem, that the transmission is the major problem. So certainly this is the reason why the meeting has been called. This emergency meeting is happening, where even the Delhi Lieutenant Governor is there. Companies from power companies are also there. So we expect a solution very soon, but it is unlikely, because we also spoke, they were also telling us that since there is no government in Delhi for quite some time now, the last government used to preempt. They used to take, they used to anticipate that this might happen, and they used to borrow power from different states as well, preempting that there might be failures in the plants in and around Delhi. So certainly these things, since there is no government in place, these things were bound to happen. And since this has become a political issue, we have already seen what happened yesterday when Arvinder Lovely had taken, and his people had taken hostage some senior officials as well at the Delhi Secretariat. So obviously, Piyush Goyal wants to certainly show that he is proactive, trying to bring out results, trying to bring out solutions for the people of Delhi, and that is what the plank at which they have come in power as well. If you see, they had
and that's why Ashish, this emergency meeting that he's called today, to at least show that the government is trying its best to get the people in Delhi the power that they require, especially during the peak summer time at the moment.